back. I'm Sophia Fedio. I'm your Roatan realtor. And here today I am with a realtor from the United States, Sage Swaim.
Hello, I am Sage Swaim with JPAR Legacy Group out of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We decided to come join Sophia today, and so we could show you a little bit about what you could get on the island of Roatan. Tell us about what we're looking at today, Sophia.
So right now we're in Coral Views Village, which is a development just east of French Harbour. So this is a gated community with homes and lots for sale, and we are going to showcase a couple lots here.
Wonderful.
In Coral Views. So as you can see, we have ocean views right behind us.
They're stunning. I mean, it's just stunning views.
And Coral Views borders with Pristine Bay, where there's a golf course, and then it borders also with Guiabara, which is another development residential community. So you're here nestled in between two residential communities, and it's a great community to live in.
And so tell us a little bit where we are on the island, so people who aren't familiar know where French Harbour is.
Okay, so we're mid-island, so we're about 45 minutes away from the airport. So you're close to beaches, you're close to grocery shopping, there's dive shops, restaurants, there's a little bit of nightlife out here. So it's a really great location.
You're
right
in the middle, right
You're
in the
kind
middle
of in the middle of everything. Exactly.
Wonderful and easy to get east. Kind of rural. Out east is a very rural part of the island where you can go and get away from the crowds. There are still dive shops and that sort of thing there, but beautiful, pristine beaches.
Absolutely. And then you're about 45 minutes away from the West End, about an hour away from West Bay, which is the most renowned beach on the island.
Sure.
There's lots of activities,
yes,
a lot of nightlife,
yes.
a lot of activities out there, so absolutely.
Great.
So let's get back to Coral Views. So we are in a gated community. So here we do have some HOA fees. So HOA fees are $1,200 a year, and what that includes access to the security. There's 24-hour security on site. There's access to community water, which will be metered separately.
Nice.
There's underground utilities, so the water and the electricity are underground, so you're not going to see any lines.
Perfect.
And there is a community beach here.
Oh, nice. So you don't have to go anywhere.
You don't.
To enjoy your beach time. Perfect.
So what's really nice is that there is a little pool and cabana and beach, and there's a dock as well that you can do some swimming and snorkeling from. So it's really nice. We'll show that to you guys in a little bit.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
But it's a great community.
Perfect.
So we're here at in Coral Views, and we're going to be showcasing to you guys lot 1110A. So we're here in Coral Views. We're in lot 1110A. So what we did is we just moved across the street from where you're seeing the view. So now we are facing that view, and we're looking at lot 1110A. So this lot is listed at $69,000.
That's so cheap. That's so cheap. I can't even believe how cheap you can get a lot.
For a beautiful hillside lot that you can build and have stunning ocean views.
And tell me how big this lot is.
So this is a lot that is 0.15 of an acre. So basically it starts right at this red marker right here behind us, and it spans all the way over to this tree.
And then up the hill.
And up the hill about halfway.
To get even better views.
To get even better views, yes.
What we can see right now.
And I would most certainly build up, maybe have the garage on the first level, and then do your living space, bedrooms, all of that above. And there's renderings for a home on this lot.
What?
Absolutely.
So they're done.
Absolutely. So clients can reach out to us, and we can connect them with what our suggestions are or what the previous owner's suggestions were for this lot, and then they can kind of go from there.
Oh, wonderful. And I bet they monopolize the views, don't they?
Absolutely, they do.
Because why would you be on an island and not get to see the water?
Why not?
I know. This is lovely. Thank you for showing us this today. And we have a few more things that we're going to look at in this neighborhood, right?
Absolutely. And then I'm going to take you guys down to the beach.
We're excited. Thanks.
Welcome back to Coral Views, guys. So here we are in the community pool.
This is gorgeous. Very serene.
And it's quiet. It has a nice seating area. It's got a covered area. It's surrounded by lush tropical gardens. This is a great place to just hang out on a cruise ship day, or with the family if you don't want to go out and be part of the whole hustle and bustle. This is a really great hangout area.
It's wonderful. It's very beautiful, very well appointed. And like Sophia said, there are covered areas for those of us who don't like to be in the sun all the time.
Absolutely. And it's a really nice Absolutely, let's go.
Sophia, this beach is beautiful. How well maintained and manicured it is. It's been raked. There are beautiful cabanas over here. I mean, I was shocked when I saw those, just for your use, for your daily use here on this beautiful beach. And all this, you're telling me, is included in your $1,200 HOA fees.
Absolutely.
This is crazy.
So this is Coral Views Beach. We've got white sand beaches, access into the water right here. We've got a community dock.
Oh, community dock. Are there boat slips?
There are some boat slips for sale. None of them are currently available. They've all been sold, but you know what? With changing of owners, there might be some in the future.
Absolutely.
And that would be just, you know, a little extra perk, you know, down the line you want to own your own boat.
I would also like to talk about how long this dock is that makes you even that much closer to the reef. Jump off, easy swim to the reef for snorkeling, and you don't even have to go to a dive shop. You've got the reef right here in your backyard.
You do, absolutely. And you can paddleboard from here.
Wonderful.
You can kayak from here. You can swim. You can snorkel. At your fingertips.
This is
at
perfect.
your fingertips.
And I
your
would like
playground
to say
is
again,
fantastic.
this is all included. You're telling us this is all included in your $1,200 a year HOAs.
Absolutely.
Unbelievable. Thank you for showing us this today.
You're so welcome. So let's walk down the beach just a little bit so that we can show people, you know, you've got mature palm trees here with coconuts. I'm sure that one of the yard guys, who are so sweet and wonderful,
Yes.
would be happy to cut down a coconut for you. So you could just add to your wonderful lifestyle of living here in Roatan and enjoying the island life.
It's wonderful. Thank you.
Well guys, thank you so